Hey guys, today we want to take you guys on a little gardening journey with us. We are getting our winter beds prepped. We picked up some lettuces and then began prepping our raised beds. But most importantly, we wanted to tell you guys about our new partnership with Epic Gardening. If you go to shop.epicgardening.com/Rodney and Jake, you can get 5% off your entire order. They carry everything from these raised beds to seed starting to soils to plants. But really, with the seed starting, it is the season. Get that spring garden started now and get 5% off that order to give you a jump start. For our garden this year, we started some lettuces, broccoli, and cauliflower, and then a bunch of lettuce by seed from epicgardening.com. We also started some Texas Sweet 1015 onions and some garlics that we're super excited about this year. But if you head over to shop.epicgardening.com/Rodney and Jake, you can take advantage of that 5% off to get your garden started today. As always, guys, we greatly appreciate your support and following along, and we'll see you guys next time.